Hello everyone, welcome to the tutor box. In last lecture we discussed about the function of the blood as well as characteristics of the blood. Now we are going to discuss about the composition of the blood. Okay, so this is one of the important question as well as a big question for your examination point of view as well as MCQ purpose of view, like in competitive examinations. Okay, so here we discussing the composition of the blood. Okay, so what is the composition of blood? In last lecture I discussed what is the composition of blood containing the blood plasma, okay, that is the liquid matrix, okay, as well as blood cells, okay. So what is the blood plasma? So blood components क्या क्या हो गए हमारे पास में, what are those components? So blood containing what? Blood plasma as well as formed element, okay. So blood plasma, it is basically a liquid part, okay, as well as formed element. Basically these are what? A cellular part. It is a cellular part, means it contains cells. It contains what? Cells. Suppose if we are taking blood into the test tube, and we are putting this test tube into the centrifugation tube, and if we are putting this test tube into the centrifugation tube, look at here, this is the test tube, this is what? A test tube, and I put the blood into the test tube, and after centrifugation, what we find? Centrifugation is a force. Basically centrifugation is what? A force. What centrifugation force will do? Centrifugation force, what it do? Whatever the high weight substance, the substance within the blood which having a higher weight, they settle down in the blood, in the test tube, and whatever the substance which has a lower weight, they remain at the upper side, okay, So suppose this is the test tube after centrifugation. So at the lower side, what? The red color I show, these are the what? RBC. These are what? RBCs. Okay, so RBCs are a heavier component in the blood. Okay, then here I made something with the green color. That is basically you can find whenever you do experiment in the laboratory. Though this green color is just like a yellow color whenever we move into the laboratory and when you do the experiment. So this basically a blood plasma. This is what? A blood plasma, okay. So in the test tube at the upper side, what we found? Blood plasma, okay. And the between blood plasma and RBC, this is the white area, okay. So this area is known as a buffy coat. Okay. So buffy coat contain WBC and platelets. Buffy coat contain what? WBC and platelet, okay. So it contain what? WBC plus platelet, okay. Clear everyone? So sometime examiner ask questions to you, and in the viva, what buffy coat contain? So the options are WBC platelet, WBC RBC and blood plasma, okay. So you need to give the correct answer, okay. So this is about the centrifugation force and how we separate them, okay. So after separating them, we have what? Blood plasma, and then we have what? Formed element. So how much percentage we have? Total 8% we are getting. Whole blood is in the body is 8% of the total body weight. Now from 8%, if we are considering it as a whole, then we considering it as 100%, okay. So in this condition we have what? Blood plasma 55% and formed element 45%, okay. So what blood plasma contain? So remember this 55% as well as 45%. Sometime examiner ask question on these percentage. So I mentioned everywhere the volume or quantity of that particular cells or volumes or blood plasma. So here please remember these quantities which I mentioned already in whole of the cellular part as well as plasma part, okay. Now just look at the blood plasma. What are the various part of blood plasma? Blood plasma, what it contain? Blood plasma basically contain protein, water and other solute. Protein, water and other solute. So how much percent of protein we are getting in the blood plasma? 7% we are getting in the protein containing 7%. protein का part कितना होता है? 7%. Then water, how much water we are founding in the blood plasma? So 91.5%, that is we are founding water in the blood plasma. So blood plasma basically a major portion or too much portion is the water, and then other solute, that is only 1.5%. okay, so now moving on the protein, what different kind of protein we are founding in the blood plasma protein. So these proteins are known as a blood plasma protein or plasma protein. okay, so these are various protein like albumin, globulin, fibrinogen and other protein. So these three important protein, albumin, globulin and fibrinogen. So what is the percentage of it we found in the blood? So albumin we found 54%. okay, then globulin we found 38%, and then fibrinogen we found 7%. okay, so remember these percentage. okay, sometime examiner asks the question in MCQ whenever you go for pharmacist exam, drug inspector exam and any kind of other competitive exam in the medical field. So many times these question asked by the examiners. okay, so remember this. And sometime examiner asks question, what different important proteins we are found into the blood plasma. So students remain confused. स्टूडेंट कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं तो उनको याद नहीं रहता है. ओके, इन दैट कंडीशन आई एम गिविंग यू अ ट्रिक. सो व्हाट इज आवर ट्रिक टू रिमेंबर दीज थ्री प्रोटीन्स. ओके, सो रिमेंबर दिस आवर ट्रिक. क्या हमारी ट्रिक है वो आप देखिए, एल्बुमिन, ग्लोबुलिन एंड फाइब्रिनोजन. सो इन तीनों को याद रखिए. अजब गजब फाइबर. ओके, सो अजब मीन्स एल्बुमिन. अजब मीन्स ए फॉर एल्बुमिन. AGF से आप इसको याद रख सकते हैं, AGF. ओके, AGF कभी कभी जो पुराने टाइम में जो है, जो वाइफ होती थी वो अपने हस्बैंड को नाम नहीं लेती थी, वो उसको क्या बोलती थी? AG बोलती थी. वो क्या बोलती थी? AG कुछ लेके आओ. ओके, सो AG से आप इसको याद रख सकते हैं. ओके, एंड AG क्या लाओ? फ्लावर लेके आओ. ओके, सो दिस इज वन ट्रिक एंड द अदर ट्रिक इज व्हाट? अजब गजब फाइबर. ओके, सो इससे भी आप इसको याद रख सकते हैं, एल्बुमिन, ग्लोबुलिन एंड फाइब्रिनोजन. सो यहाँ याद रखिएगा AGF, और इसी ऑर्डर में हमें ये मिल रहे हैं, मीन्स 54%, फिर उसके बाद डिक्रीज हुआ 38% एंड 7%. ओके, तो इन दोनों ट्रिक से, दोनों ही ट्रिक को आप यूज कर सकते हैं कि कोई भी एक ट्रिक को आप अपने माइंड में रखिए, उससे आप लोगों को याद रह जाएगा. ओके, देन important point is what? Albumin. What is the specific character? So yeah, remember this. Albumin is the smallest protein. Albumin is the smallest protein and most numerous. सबसे ज़्यादा मिल रहा है. क्यों सर? 54% मिल रहा है. We are getting it in the 54% and it is the smallest. So again a point of MCQ. यहाँ पर again we are getting a one MCQ. तो दो MCQ यहाँ पर बन रहे हैं. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज स्मॉलेस्ट प्रोटीन इन ब्लड प्लाज्मा? विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज स्मॉलेस्ट प्रोटीन इन ब्लड प्लाज्मा? तीनों ऑप्शंस आपको मिल रहे हैं, एल्बुमिन, ग्लोबुलिन एंड फाइब्रिनोजन आर द थ्री ऑप्शन. एंड द सेकंड क्वेश्चन इज विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज मोस्ट न्यूमरस प्रोटीन इन ब्लड प्लाज्मा? Okay, so this is the another second question. Again examiner give albumin, globulin and fibrinogen. So अभी तो आप लोगों को याद आ जाएगा. At this time, at this moment you people are able to remember, but when you are in the exam, that time you may forgot. Okay, so remember this is the smallest and this is most numerous. Okay, then moving on, globulin we are finding in 38%. What globulin do? Globulin basically helpful when virus and bacteria attack on us. Okay, कभी कभी जब वायरस और बैक्टीरिया अटैक करते हैं, इन दैट कंडीशन ग्लोबुलिन हेल्प अस. हाउ ग्लोबुलिन हेल्प अस? बिकॉज इट इज हेल्पफुल इन द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ इम्यूनोग्लोबुलिन. इट इज हेल्पफुल इन द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ इम्यूनोग्लोबुलिन, एंड इम्यूनोग्लोबुलिन आर आवर they increase or they can strong the immune system. Okay, immunoglobulin make our immune system strong. So alpha and beta globulin are the part of globulin. Okay, and they help in transport of iron, lipid and fast soluble vitamins. So this is another point regarding the globulin. So what it increase the immunity of our body. Globulin increase the immunity of our body, as well as it is also helpful in the transport of iron. So iron is another important compound, lipid and fat soluble vitamin. So these minerals they are helping in the transport of these minerals. Then fibrinogen, we know very well, fibrinogen we are getting in 7%. And what is the basic role of fibrinogen? So the basic role of fibrinogen is in the blood clotting. So the fibers which are made in the blood clotting are made up of fibrinogen protein. Okay, clear? So यहाँ पर फाइब्रिनोजन प्रोटीन के जो फाइबर बनते हैं उन्हीं की वजह से क्या होगा, ब्लड क्लॉटिंग होगी. इसको सिंपल आप छन्नी से याद रख सकते हैं. वॉट एवर वी आर यूजिंग सीव. ओके, सीव को हम यूज़ करते हैं कब, चाय और दूध को छानने में. ओके, इन दैट केस सिमिलर काइंड ऑफ जो नेट बनती है, द नेट लाइक स्ट्रक्चर इज मेड बाय फाइब्रिनोजन एंड ब्लड इज नॉट एबल टू पास दैट, blood cells are not able to pass that particular net. That is basically a blood clotting part. Okay, and then other protein which we are getting in the less amount of 1%. Okay, now moving on, water we know, water तो हमको पता ही है. Then other solute, what are those other solute? So electrolyte, nutrient, gases, regulatory substance and waste products. So one by one we will discuss each and every one. So in electrolyte, what kind of electrolyte we are getting? So like sodium, potassium, okay, chloride, phosphate, calcium. So these are various electrolytes, so many electrolyte we are getting. And what is the work of these electrolyte? What is the work of these electrolyte? They help in the maintenance of osmotic pressure. Okay, osmotic pressure को जो है maintain करने में काम आएगा. Okay, they help in the maintenance of osmotic pressure. Okay, osmotic regulation, they are doing what? Osmotic regulation. So this is the important work of electrolyte which we found in the blood. Okay, then nutrients. Okay, what kind of nutrients we are getting? So like amino acid, okay, glucose, okay, and vitamins as well as minerals. So these are minerals which we found in the blood plasma. Okay, so they are helpful. They are basically a nutrient and they help in the nutrition of the for whole of the body. Okay, then gases. So what are the various gases we found? Oxygen we found, CO2 we found, as well as nitrogen we found. Okay, what is the function of oxygen? So the function we know, oxygen function हम जानते ही हैं. ऑक्सीजन का जो फंक्शन है, इट इज़ required by each and every cell. Then what is the CO2 is basically a waste product of the body. Whatever the metabolic reaction, जो body metabolic reactions करेंगी, like whether it is a anabolic or catabolic, so we are getting what, a waste product, that is a CO2, and it is excreted by the our system. And nitrogen do not have any function till now. Scientists not able to find out the function of nitrogen, but it is still remain in the body. Okay, now various regulatory substance. What are those regulatory substance? So one is the enzyme. Okay, then hormones. Okay, hormones as well as vitamins. Okay, so these are the regulatory substance. So enzyme basically helpful in the some of the reaction, in various reaction they are like work as a catalyst. Okay, then hormone regulate various function in the body, you know very well, like pituitary gland hormone and these other hormones. So for hormone are transported by the blood. So such kind of hormone we found into the blood. And vitamin, you know, vitamin are useful as for the nutrition purpose as well as for coenzyme activity. Okay, as well as for the formation of blood clotting. We require vitamin K for blood clotting purpose. So these are three important regulatory things. Okay everyone, Then waste products, what are those waste product? Okay, waste product are what? Like creatinine, okay, and urea. Clear? So creatinine, urea, these are some waste products which we found in the body. So these waste products, these are the some waste product generated by the some metabolic reaction, anabolic reactions. Okay, clear everyone? So this is about the other solute which we found into the blood plasma. Clear? Now moving on the formed element, what is the formed element? Okay, so just look here. Formed element we are getting 45%. Okay, in formed element I already discussed with you that in this we found what? Cells. In this we found what? Cells. So what are those cells? This is what? RBC, WBC and platelet. This is what? RBC, WBC and platelet. Okay, so how much RBC we are getting? So we are getting what? 4.8 to 5.4 million per microliter. Remember this is the figure you should remember. Okay, 4.8 to 5.4 million per microliter. Remember this, the unit. Okay, so many times examiner ask question because this is a general figure. Okay, and we must remember as a part of medical field student. Okay, then WBC we found what? 5,000 to 11,000 per microliter, 5,000 to 11,000 per microliter, and then platelet we found 1.5 lakh to 4 lakh per microliter. Okay, so for each and everyone we will discuss a separate one lecture. Like RBC we will discuss whole one lecture on the RBC, 1 or 2 lecture, as well as on WBC as well as on platelets. So just look on the WBC. We can divide WBC in two parts, granulocyte and agranulocyte. Now just look the WBC. What are those? What are the different type of WBC? So just look on the RBC. What is the function of RBC? In RBC we found what? Hemoglobin. What we found? Hemoglobin, and hemoglobin is basically a carrier for oxygen. Clear? So by this way our cells are able to get the energy like ATP. Okay, so this is the main function of RBC. Clear? And then WBC. So there are various type of WBC. What are those? Neutrophils, lymphocyte, monocyte, basophils and eosinophils. Okay, these are the 5. Neutrophils, okay, then lymphocyte, monocyte, eosinophils and then basophils. Okay, clear? Then what is the percentage amount we found of neutrophils? 60 to 70%. Then lymphocyte we found in 20 to 25%, and then monocyte 3 to 8%, eosinophil 2 to 4% and basophil 0.5 to 1%. Okay, so remember this percentage. In every percentage they are examiner ask the question in competitive examination, like for AIIMS nursing exam, as well as various pharmacist and drug inspector recruitment exam, as well as competitive exams like NEET, as well as in GPAT. Okay, so remember this. And how we can remember? यहाँ मैं आप लोगों के लिए एक trick लेकर आया हूँ. What is the trick? What is the mnemonics? Remember these names. Sometimes student forget the name. Generally student remember the name of neutrophil, eosinophil, basophil, but they forgot the name of lymphocyte and monocyte. Okay, these are also part of WBC. ये भी WBC का पार्ट है. So how you people are able to remember? आप लोग किस तरह से इसको याद रखेंगे? तो यहाँ पर देखिए हमारी ट्रिक क्या है उसको लर्न करने की. Just look at here. This is our trick. Okay, so our trick is what? National Library of Medicine Best and Excellent. Okay, National Library of Medicine अमेरिका में है. Okay, National Library of Medicine NLM. Okay, बहुत फेमस है. इसी के साथ साथ इंडिया में भी बहुत सारी मेडिकल कॉलेजेस में लाइब्रेरी हो रही हैं काफ़ी सारे कॉलेज में, हर एक कॉलेज में और स्कूल्स में लाइब्रेरी होती हैं. तो आप याद रखिए, टर्मिनोलॉजी आप याद रखिए, नेशनल लाइब्रेरी मेडिसिन, ओके, नेशनल लाइब्रेरी ऑफ मेडिसिन, बेस्ट एंड एक्सीलेंट, क्योंकि वो बेस्ट और एक्सीलेंट तो होगी ही सही, ओके। सो इस ये जो पंच लाइन है, इस पंच लाइन से आप इसको लर्न कर सकते हैं। नेशनल मीन्स न्यूट्रोफिल्स, लाइब्रेरी मीन्स लिम्फोसाइट, ओके, मेडिसिन मीन्स मोनोसाइट, बेस्ट मीन बेसोफिल, ई फॉर एक्सीलेंट, ई फॉर एक्सीलेंट, ओके। क्लियर एवरीवन? तो इस तरह से आप लोगों को ये ट्रिक से याद हो जाएगा, होपफुली आप लोगों को ये चीज याद हो जानी चाहिए इस ट्रिक से, ओके। सो यहां पर आप ध्यान दीजिए, एक और इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है, न्यूट्रोफिल न्यूट्रल रहती है। अगर हम पीएच कंसीडरेशन देखें, बेसोफिल जो है बेसिक नेचर की होती है, बेसिक नेचर की होती है, एंड इओसिनोफिल्स आर व्हाट, एसिडिक इन नेचर, ओके। क्लियर एवरीवन? So this is about the WBC. Then platelet, we found platelets in our body, and platelets are helpful in the our hemostasis. Hemostasis is different from homeostasis, okay. Hemostasis means to stop the bleeding. Bleeding को stop करने वाली एक process होती है platelet. So platelet are very important as far as concern of our hemostasis, okay. So platelet को भी हम डिस्कस करेंगे, लाइक डेंगू जो फीवर होता है वहां पर प्लेटलेट का काउंट बहुत कम हो जाता है। सो वी विल डिस्कस अ सेपरेट लेक्चर ऑन बोथ इन आरबीसी, डब्ल्यूबीसी एंड प्लेटलेट, ओके। सो होपफुली आप लोगों को यहाँ पर कंपोजिशन ऑफ ब्लड समझ में आ गया होगा, ओके। यहाँ मैंने आप लोगों से कुछ क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस किए हुए हैं, उन क्वेश्चंस के आंसर आप कमेंट बॉक्स में लिखें।
Hello everyone, discussing the question number 1, true about blood composition. A, 55% amount is formed element. B, 45% amount is blood plasma. C, total weight of human body include 8% part of blood and 92% part of other body fluids and tissue. D, all are correct. Question number 2, true statement about albumin. A, it is the largest human protein. B, it is the smallest human plasma protein. C, it is the most numerous human plasma protein. D, B and C are correct. Question number 3, true statement for plasma protein. A, albumin found in 54%. B, globulin found in 38%. C, fibrinogen found in 7%. D, all are correct. Question number 4, true statement for WBC. Neutrophil found in 60 to 70%. B, basophil found in 0.5 to 1%. E, eosin, C, eosin found in 2 to 4%, and D, all are correct. Question number 5, true statement for WBC. A, RBC found in range of 4.5 to 5.4 billion per microliter. C, B, WBC found in range of 5,000 to 11,000 per microliter. C, platelet found in 1 to 4 lakh per microliter. D, B and C are correct. So I already discussed answer of all of these question in lecture, so go through with the lecture and answer in comment box.
और रियली में अगर आप लोगों को लगा है कि लेक्चर फायदेमंद है, सभी के लिए यूजफुल है, देन शेयर द वीडियो, लाइक द वीडियो एंड सब्सक्राइब द चैनल।